You are going to love the 2019 Camry. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, multifunction display, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4-door courtesy lights, tachometer, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation, cargo area light. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.